Hello, hope you're having a great day. Let's learn about prompt engineering. So in about 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to write a ChatGPT prompt. To get started, so super easy. This is the basic format of just a good template. It's not mandatory, but this is just a good framework to get started, to start getting more better ChatGPT responses, basically. So we're going to give it a role, and then we're going to have it do a task, and then we're going to say, hey, we want the result in a specific format. Now, all of these are optional. You can just give it a role and task and end it there. But let's try these out. See, these are some roles that you could do. You can say, hey, ChatGPT, you're a marketer, advisor. But since this is more business oriented, we're going to do some business examples here. But you could get an example. It could be a therapist, a mindset coach, best-selling author, an accountant, ghostwriter, copywriter, inventor. And then what are some ideas of some tasks that we can give it? Hey, write me a headline. Hey, you are a marketer. Write me a SEO article about haircuts. I have a barber client, so that's why my mind's on haircuts and barbershops. Write me an email sequence to get customers to come back for their second or for a birthday haircut. Yeah, actually, a birthday haircut would be kind of cool. Kind of like how Benihana's sends you those coupons. Get your free coupon. Hey, write me SEO keywords. So these are some ideas of some tasks that you give it. And then here's some results, some like formats. Show me in a table, show me in a list. Can't really give it into a spreadsheet per se, but we can get out. So let's do some examples here. So I have some examples. And we're going to say, hey, I'm going to take this one here. I have a nice new ChatGPT conversation right here. And we're going to say, hey, you are a Google ad expert. List out. So we give it a role. And then we're going to give it a task. List out 20 SEO keywords. We're very specific about what we want. And it is, we're going to give it more context, for a Google ad campaign for barbers. So I'm going to pop that in. We're going to get that back. Oh, and it give it back to us in a list. Nice. Now, Google has SEO keywords, or Google likes, if you ever done keywords, they add quotes or brackets to them to be like an exact match. So say I want to, now follow-up task, I want you to add a bracket at the front and a bracket at the end of each word. Cool. That's going to give me more exact matches. So when I pop that into my Google ad campaign, they're nicely formatted. Look how nice. You would have to go do Excel and like create a Google sheet and a formula in Excel. They try and do that for you if you're like really fancy, but no, ChatGPT, super simple. That was handy. Let's take a look at another example. Let's take this one here. And we're going to say, all right, new task. ChatGPT, you are a marketing consultant. List out, so that's our role. And here's our task. List, and the way I want you to think about ChatGPT, think about ChatGPT like a college intern. That's about as sophisticated as a task and how I work with it as a partner, like a to help me complete tasks. That's about as competent as I put it in my kind of workflow per se. So I'm like, I think of it more like a college intern. So I have to work it step by step, piece by piece. So we're going to be, and you have to be very specific along each way. So we're going to say, hey, you're a marketing consultant. And then we're going to give it a task. List out the top 4 pain points for business owners that need to learn ChatGPT's skills to stay competitive. And then here's our format. List it out in a table with columns for pain point, urgency, and attention grabbing headlines. Let's see what that gets us. We click our little send button. ChatGPT does this thing. And look, it says, now it does this whole searching list, gives us like a little prompt like, hey, I am happy to do the job for you. We don't really care. Just give me the work. So here it gave it to us in a table. Pain point, customer engagement, urgency, high, medium, critical. They're not really relevant looking at this. I'm going to be like, no, ChatGPT, no. Not what I was looking for. This is for a course on how to learn ChatGPT for business. List out the pain points for the product of a ChatGPT course for business owners. For business owners, marketers, copywriters. But you can see how even ChatGPT, I didn't test these before, when it kicks it out, you want to look at the answer, and this is what I teach in my class, like did it really give you what you want? And it's like, kinda, but it's not. So I'm actually going to go back and like refine it. So now we're going to say, inefficient. And then whatever ChatGPT sends, this is what I like to do. Translate for average Joe. Because ChatGPT gets very wordy, very verbose unnecessarily. And so here, now, very simple problem. Things are running inefficiently in your business. This is a pressing issue. Catchy. Make your business run smoother. Learn ChatGPT. Problem, you're struggling to reach customers. Why is important? Expanding to your customer base is crucial. Headline, reach more customers, harness the power of ChatGPT. I would improve a lot of these, but even when you start asking it to do like 3 or 4 like creative things at the same time, its creativity kind of goes right off a cliff. Let's take a look at another prompt. Let's do this one. Okay, so we got our new prompt. Let's pop that into ChatGPT. And it says, hey, you are a marketer, our role. Give it a task. What are 4 lead magnets that would attract leads for a ChatGPT course for business owners? And give me the answer listed out in a table with examples. So certainly here it is. And we're like, okay, cool. Ebook, the ultimate guide for ChatGPT for businesses. Okay, that's interesting. Do some webinars. Master ChatGPT, a live webinar for business owners. Okay. Could do a checklist. ChatGPT business readiness checklist. Is your business ready for ChatGPT? To find out how. And case studies. Success stories. How businesses flourish with ChatGPT. Not bad. But basically we're saying you are this role. Here's a task and give it to us in a very specific format that we're looking for. Then we could take this and piece it together for our next task. Let's look at the last one. This one's a little different. It says you're a copywriter, but we have a little blank here. Let's take a look at that. I'm going to say, ChatGPT, you are a copywriter. Turn this article into a Facebook ad. And I added a colon because now I could go to this article, copy this article, blah, 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 blah. It says ChatGPT. Look at the top 10 global skills. ChatGPT, hugely, everyone wants to learn it. So then let's go back to our ChatGPT. Paste our conversation. There we go. So all that text, press enter. Zoom out, and let's see what we got. Now, ChatGPT, again, remember it's very verbose. It says, lots of wordy things. So we're always going to say, hey, make it shorter and translate for average Joe. Now we get supercharge your career with ChatGPT. Discover the hottest tech skills in 2023. Hey there. Still showcasing Microsoft Office on your resume? No, it's time to upgrade that. It's actually, ChatGPT is actually becoming more important than having Excel skills on your resume, which is wild. Anyways, but yeah, that's it. So that is how to create a ChatGPT prompt. Remember, you are a role, perform a task, and give it to me in a format. And these are some examples of roles. These are some examples of tasks. And these are some examples of a format. Nice. And to end the video, if you're interested in learning ChatGPT, I have a free course to teach you ChatGPT in 1 hour. We're going to learn all the cool things, not just prompting, but the differences between free and plus and all the other cool personas that are in there. So it's a free course. You can grab it in the link in the bio. I'm Jonathan Acuna. Hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.